Hi, my name is Jerry McSparron. I own JMAC Engine Shop. Today's date is March the 8th of 2024, and this is another rebuild completion video, this time on an MG Midget 1500. It would also fit in a Triumph Spitfire 1500, engine number FP15340UE, and this belongs to Al, and we've been completely through it, and it's been all cleaned up, and he wanted oversized pistons, and so it's been bored, and we got new flat top pistons, and the head has been shaved to increase the compression, and the crank has been turned, and the it's got all new bearings and gaskets, and it's got a duplex timing chain and timing gears. It's got double springs. It's got a new rocker shaft, a new oil pump, new tapettes. Just been all cleaned up and freshened, and new 270 duration cam, and we were hoping to achieve about 9.5 to 1 compression. I'm not sure what the I'd have to do the calculation to figure out what the compression numbers are, since we went with the oversized pistons, but the compression numbers were between 165 and 175, which is very good. It's much higher than the stock engine, and but anyway, it runs very well. Oil pressure was good, about just under 80, maybe 79 to start, and then when it was very warm, the idle was around 40, and idle oil pressure was about 40, so that's good. And I have the idle just a little low, about 800. If you have it up at 900, it's probably higher than that. So anyway, I'm going to let it run, and let Al hear it run, and we'll show you the gauges, and we'll speed it up for a few seconds, and then we'll close out the video. So here we go. It's going to be a little noisy. I don't have a muffler, and that's the fuel pump you hear clicking there. There you have it. If you're interested, and oh, by the way, it has been completely balanced too. The rotating assembly has, and it's running very smooth. If you're interested in having your MG or Triumph engine rebuilt, you can give me a call, or you can go to my website, www.jmacengineshop.weebly.com, and thank you for watching.